Hi, everyone. Welcome to our Cookery 10. We are now in week 7 of our lesson. Objectives. 1. Identify the different methods of preserving meats. 2. Store fresh and cryovac-packed meat according to health regulations. 3. Appreciate the importance of proper storing of meat. Learning Task 1. Directions. Your mother is planning to go to the market to buy meats for 2 weeks of home quarantine. Help her make a successful buying by answering the following questions. 1. What are the type of meats that you want to store for weeks? 2. If she will buy canned meat, can you suggest brands that you can vouch? 2. Learning Task 2. Directions. Read the information below and learn how to prolong the shelf life of meats in your kitchen. Meats tend to spoil quickly due to their moist content. Meat juice, especially if kept in a warm environment, will simply encourage bacteria to grow. Avoid keeping meat anywhere at room temperature and above. There are a few types of methods used to extend its freshness. Just make sure that the meats you purchased are of good quality, fresh, and in good condition. Juan E. 2021. Methods of preserving meat. There are different methods of preserving meat. These include drying or dehydration, smoking, salting, curing, refrigerating, freezing, canning, and freeze drying. This is the most common method of preserving meat. Drying involves the reduction of the original 70% of the water content of the meat to about 15%. Ways of drying meat. 1. Natural sun drying. Natural sunlight is used to reduce the amount of moisture content of meat. Portable solar dryers can provide sanitary means of drying meat. Dryers with screen covers are recommended for outdoor use and lengthen the storage life of meat. Two. Dehydration or artificial drying. Oven is used for drying the meat, although this is more expensive than sun drying. Dehydration is a more efficient method of removing moisture from the meat. Products dried in this way are of higher quality and can be sold at better prices. Smoking meat is smoked to create a distinctive color and flavor, thus helping its preservation. The flavor, color, and attractive glaze on the surface of the meat are desired like in ham. Bacon and tinapa. Cold and hot smoking are the two types of smoking. Smoked meats include ham, bacon, two types of smoking. Please read below. It's your turn to read now. C. Curing. In this method, salt, sugar, potassium or sodium nitrate, and other curing elements such as ascorbic acid, phosphate blend, and spices are used to prolong the keeping quality of meat. Curing agents also help improve the flavor and appearance of meat and retain its original color. Another methods of preserving is refrigerating. Meat is stored at a temperature range of 2 to 10 Celsius to retard mold and bacterial growth for a limited period. Freezing. Meat is preserved at a temperature of 10 Celsius and below. Freezing deactivates enzymes and bacteria. Meat can be preserved for 2 months to 1 year using this method. F. Canning. Meat preserved by canning is packed in sealed cans or jars which are subjected to a temperature of 100 Celsius and above 5 to 7 kilo pressure for a specific period. This process destroys the organism that causes spoilage. It maintains the high quality of meat products and extends its life. G. Freeze drying. The process involves the removal of moisture from the meat tissues by transforming the moisture content into ice and gas. The product to be dried is first frozen, and the ice is sublimed from the frozen mass, removing 98% of the water content. The products have a long shelf life. Store fresh and cryovac-packed meat. Cryovac, a vacuum-sealed, heat-shrink heavy-gauge plastic method for preserving fresh meat without freezing and allowing it to age without losing weight, is used by all meat packing plants. Cryovac is the brand name of a type of superior packaging technology that allows fresh goods to be kept fresher for longer. Depending on when you plan to eat your meal, you can choose to keep products in the fridge for a longer period and can avoid freezing your meat, which we believe affects the taste and tenderness. There are some effects of using cryovac packaging, but we believe these are far outweighed by the advantages. Specifically, the meat will change to a darker red color while in the packaging, due to the lack of exposure to oxygen. The meat will also sweat while in the packaging, and this can result in an unpleasant smell when you first open the packaging. This is not an indication of the freshness of the meat. To overcome both effects, all you need to do is when you are ready to eat your meat, simply remove it from the packaging. Again, simply remove it from the packaging and leave it out for 10 to 15 minutes. When out of the packaging and exposed to oxygen again, the meat will return to the usual red color. Once you have removed the meat, simply rinse out the bag and throw it in the bin and the smell will disappear too. For our learning task 3. Directions. Give your idea or opinion on the situation below. Please read the situation carefully. Learning task 4. Directions. Based on the discussion above, name the methods of preserving meat shown in the picture. Let us come now to written task direction. Choose two among the methods of preserving meats that you can use at home. Discuss your justifications by writing some facts and advantages compared with the other methods. You will receive 5 points for each method. Here are the sample answer of your written task. Performance task direction. Cut and paste pictures of the methods of preserving meats. Write a short description of each method showing the process involved. Read the activity rubrics below for your guide. Submit your output next meeting. Thank you. Before I forget, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.